Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax, and this is one of my new listings that I'm very excited about. This is a 2021 Costa Custom /KO. So this is the 264HC, which is the hybrid cat. So as you can see, it's a fabulous looking boat. What we're going to do is kind of go through some of the technology on the boat and a lot of the features on it. So one of the biggest features on this particular boat is the beam. This is a huge 10-foot beam. So that's going to give you quite a bit of stability. And with Costa Custom Boats, it's all about the engineering and the hull design. So when they designed this boat, they made a nice Carolina flare, which is right here. That kicks the water away from the boat, but a very sharp entry bow right here. This helps with tracking on the boat. And in the very middle, if you can see it, they call this the wave buster. So on a lot of the cat boats, you get kind of the sneezing effect. You do not on this boat. So this boat is totally custom, basically designed for inshore, offshore. It's a very fast boat with incredibly good fuel economy. So we'll get into that in just a second. It also comes with your Ameritrail trailer. So it's really easy to get on the boat from up here. The boat was recently detailed. As you can see, she's in beautiful condition. So as far as performance goes, that's where this boat's pretty cool. So this one's running the twin 300 white Mercs, about 291 hours. It carries 200 gallons of fuel, and your cruise is somewhere in the neighborhood of 40 to 45, roughly 2 to 2.2 miles per gallon, which is great. So everything's designed for efficiency. One other thing I wanted to point out is the stepped hull. So with that type of power, you've got about a 400-mile cruise range, and with the design, the horsepower to weight and hull design, she's about a 70-mile-an-hour boat. So what we'll do, we'll kind of jump in. So in the back, we have our power poles right here. So a couple cool features on the boat. Very big fish boxes that are in the back. So this particular boat also has your optional fresh water. So you've got, excuse me, that's standard. So you've got fresh water and raw water washdown. Back here, everything's nice and easy to get to. So these are our batteries for our mains right here. So your pumps or the power poles. This one also has a killer sound system, JL audio. But as far as the quality of the fit and finish, it's phenomenal. So we were talking about rod holders and things like that. You've got tons all the way around. It also has, these are the outriggers, the poles aren't on it, but they come with it. Underneath the hardtop right here also matches the sides of the boat. So as far as our seats are concerned, these are really high-end LeBrocs. Comfortably, as a leaning post. Or if you want to sit and run, you can definitely do that as well. And these just click down. So everything's very, very easy to get to. So at the helm here, we've got our control for our engines right here, up and down, Lenco trim tabs, digital throttle and shift right here. As far as electronics goes, we've got a Garmin autopilot right here. There's one handheld for the Garmin GPS right here. There's another one I'm going to show you in just a little bit. And we mentioned around 291 hours on the engines, and we've got a factory warranty to like 4 of 2025. Huge Garmin screens on both sides, so that works out very, very well. Now, as far as the second station is concerned, everything's very easy to get to. So this thing slides fore and aft. So when it's closed, it keeps everything nice and dry. But on the second helm, we also have, of course, digital throttle and shift. We've got our Garmin up there. We have our trim tabs, as well as the control for the jack plates. And it's fairly easy to get up there. Just go right through here. And then you're ready to go. So bird's eye view all the way around, which works out great. Also, you've got non-skid up here. So if you're doing sight fishing and things like that, you can get up there and get a bird's eye view of everything that's going on. So very, very cool design. So walking up front, we also have huge storage areas up here. This can handle up to 7-foot fishing rods, and the sea deck that we have matches all the way through. So we've got here, and we have a matching one over on this side. As you can see, the boat's very clean. We just had it detailed. Now up top, we've got our spreader light right here. You also have speakers in the back, speakers in the front, JL audio. And here, this one does have your Rhodan troll motor. But I wanted to show you the VHF radio, which is here. So you've got your handset out there, plus one here. And if you take a look in there, these are your batteries right here. So these are your lithium batteries. There's a charger for the boat and a separate charger for the batteries. Once again, we've got a Rhodan right here. This works out great. It's 120 volts, 36 volts, 120 pound thrust. So if you're out there on a really good spot, no need to put the anchor down. Also remote controlled. We also have storage inside here, all the way around. And one thing I do like, the casting deck. So if you're throwing a cast net backcountry or something like that, plenty of deck space. Keep in mind we have a 10-foot beam on the boat, tons and tons of room all the way around. And we have in here anchor storage. There's enough room in there for about 600 feet of line. We've got additional storage here, and we have additional storage here. All the storage is going to be lockable as well. That kind of wraps up everything. Once again, very unique boat, very fast boat, extremely fuel efficient. I didn't point out this before, but of course we get all the matching sea deck. So my name's Jeremy Bradshaw with MarineMax in Venice. I'm the listing broker. You can take a look at the boat on Boat Trader, Yacht World, MarineMax.com. We're going to go to market at $309,399. So if you've got any additional questions or like some more information, feel free to give me a call. It's Jeremy Bradshaw. My number is 941-376-3345. Thank you so much for taking your time. I hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.